Hello, my name is Maureen Pascal, and I'm a physical therapy professor at the Misericordia University in Dallas, Pennsylvania. And I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about the life of a PT. So what we do as PTs varies a little bit from one setting to another. We can work from the very young neonates in the intensive care unit all the way up to older people who are 99 or 100 or more years old. But for all of them, our job is pretty similar. What we want to do is to promote movement, promote functional movement, improve function, and our ultimate goal is to improve people's participation in play, work, and societal roles. So our goal is to get people back to doing what they need to do, or to get them to be able to do what they need to do. So how we achieve these goals varies quite a bit and depends a little bit on the person, but we do things like range of motion and stretching exercises if people have tight muscles. We do a lot of strengthening exercises, either using machines or weights, bands, the person's own body. And then we do a lot of functional training, getting people in and out of bed, teaching them how to get from one chair to another, work from sit to stand, and especially working on walking. For most of our patients, for most people, one of their biggest functional goals is to be able to get up and walk. So we spend a lot of time doing that. So one of the great things about being a PT is, as I mentioned, you can work in pretty much any setting with any age. We work in homes, hospitals, rehab settings, and anywhere in between. We take patients outdoors sometimes to work on that, on functional skills. And we get to spend a lot of time with patients. So one of the other great things about being a PT is we get to really develop a rapport with patients and to work with the interdisciplinary team on helping patients achieve their goals. So one of the great things about being a PT is that we hopefully get people back to doing what they want to do and to be able to live their life to the fullest. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.